Hello guys, Boston Aviation here. Today we are on VATSIM. Currently in this JetBlue A321. Currently at, let's check, 6,000.
FedEx 1081.
We're gonna take the ILS runway.
Affirmative 5x5 and FedEx 1081 contact Boston
Runway
134.7.
to left. Sorry. This guy's very loud. Goodbye. Yeah, go. Yep, we are.
United 8, fly heading 300, maintain 5,000, vectors to final.
300, 5,000, United 8.
And United 8, I'll slow you down a bit sooner here, but for now, just maintain 250 knots.
Maintain 250, no problem, United 8.
Yep. We're on the Roebuck 3 currently. We're just getting radar vectors in to Boston. Altimeter 3025. Let me check that is still current. Yeah, it's still current.
United 8, turn left heading 290.
Left turn 290, United 8.
Got 5 minutes left-ish, kinda. Let's find the runway. Should be to looks like it should be to our left wing. I don't know where the
JetBlue 868, maintain 210 knots.
210 knots, JetBlue 868. Yeah, we're currently at 210 knots. Kind of putting up, starting a little bit of a flare.
United 8 heavy, turn left heading 270 to center, maintain 3,000.
270, 3,000, United 8.
And United 8, thank you. Can you reduce speed to 210 as well?
210 for the speed, United 8.
JetBlue 868, turn left heading 300.
300, JetBlue 868. 300. That voice just got squeaky a little bit. Let's give him a little bit of a ding. Ready, and let's do this one. Yes, sir. Beautiful approach.
United 8, 6 miles from Wayne, turn left heading 250. Maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS, runway 22 left approach.
250, 3,000 until established, careful ILS, 2 left, United 8.
JetBlue 686, turn left heading 270 to center, maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000, 270, JetBlue 868. 270. Left 270.
JetBlue 868, reduce speed to 190.
190 on the speed, JetBlue 868. Oh, there goes my fan. Let's get really
United
loud.
8, maintain 190 knots until advised.
190 to advise United 8.
Oh yeah, there goes the fan. Bro, I don't know why it's so loud. So it's like Rise PC now. Here, I'm gonna put my mic on it. Damn. Gotta hate that. What airport is that? KBVY. KBV.
United 8, maintain 170 knots to focus, contact Boston Tower 128.8.
170 to focus and over the tower, United 8.
Oh crap. There goes the fan, slowing down.
Boston departure Canadian Express 911, passing through
What is that?
3,400 for 5,000.
Canadian Express 911, Boston departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 14,000.
Climb maintain 14,000, Canadian Express 911.
JetBlue 868, 7 miles from Wayne, turn left heading 250, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 22 left approach.
Turn left heading 250, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS. 22 left approach, JetBlue 868. Alright. ILS, localize, come on. And we can wait for the glide. Did we catch the gloke? Yeah, we caught the loke. Oh, nice. Let's check our ILS frequency is correct. .110.3 for the ILS frequency.
United 868, just verify you're in a 250 heading. It looks like you're almost flying parallel there.
Alright, I don't know. Take that off. Alright, let's take the aircraft into my hands.
Okay, JetBlue 686 to Boston Airport, 12 o'clock, 11 miles, report inside.
Airport is inside JetBlue 868.
JetBlue 868, clear visual approach, runway 22 left, contact Boston Tower 128.8.
Clear visual 22 left, contact tower 121.8. Good day. 128.8.
Canadian Express 911, contact Boston Center 134.7.
128.
Over to center 134.7, Canadian.
Tower JetBlue 868, visual for 22 left.
JetBlue 868, Boston Tower 1, column number 2, following a 7637 on a 1.5 mile, final runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land behind the 7067, JetBlue 868. Flaps. Uh-oh, spoilers are out. You dummy. I would have loved to do the Castle Island, but it's all G. Almost have flaps full. We don't need flaps full yet. Ooh, crap. Let's check. Where are we? For the loke. Why do I keep calling it the loke? We are clear to land. Luckily. 1,000 checked. Alright, I won't sink. Flaps full. Landing checklist, basically geared out. Flaps full. Clear to land.
United 8 Heavy, welcome to Boston. Exit right when able, hold short runway 22 right.
Right when able, hold short 22 right, United.
Yeah, shut up, don't even sink. I'm not sinking.
United 8 Heavy, cross runway 22 right, hold short of Bravo, contact ground point 9er.
Cross 22 right, hold short of Bravo, and ground point 9er for United Heavy.
$500.
500. How am I sinking? 400.
300.
300. Oh, my scenery's messed up.
$200.
200. I think the scenery's broken. Shit.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20.
What the I mean, we're down.
Boston Ground United 8, clear 22 right at Bravo for gate Bravo 24.
What the
United 8 Heavy, you're still at the tower.
Sorry about that.
That was a smash.
JetBlue 868, welcome to Boston. Right turn when able, hold short 22 right.
Right when able, hold to the right, JetBlue 868. Let's go up the aircraft. What's up? I'm not sure what the heck is wrong with that, but I'm gonna fix that.
JetBlue 868, cross runway 22 right, hold short Bravo, contact ground point.
Cross to the right, holds for Bravo, contact grounds, yep. Yeah, something's wrong with my scenery. What gate should we go to? Lost ground, JetBlue 868, request taxi parking gate Charlie 15.
JetBlue 868, Boston Ground Taxi, we're going to be at Echo Alpha, good night.
Fight Echo Alpha, good night. Fight Echo Alpha, good night. Echo Alpha, good night. Yeah, I'm gonna do, I don't know what's wrong with the scenery. Kilo.
JetBlue 868, you missed Alpha.
Alright, whatever.
Make a next left at Alpha 1, taxi at Alpha 1 Alpha.
Alpha 1 Alpha, JetBlue 868. Alright, we'll just park here, cause just why not? Nah, that's gonna bother me. What's wrong with these gates? Oh, we'll just park here. Man, I don't know what gate this is, bro, but welcome to Boston. Alright, engine's off. Welcome to Boston. The jet bridge doesn't want to connect, so we're just gonna let it be. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. That's it for this simple video. See you next time. And yep, we'll see ya.